My name is Marietta Mahani, and this week's Aqua Tip, we're using a noodle. Now, what we're going to start off by doing is circling. So we're going to hold the noodle in the front, holding the ends, and we're going to be doing circle action. And I really like this. So starting with just the right leg circling out and using the noodle in the left hand to create the circle in the opposite direction. Now, this is interesting because without the noodle, when I do the circling motion, I can feel a little bit of instability in my left leg. And there's absolutely nothing wrong with this. In fact, I like this motion. I do it a lot in my other aqua classes, and we can do things like circling arm action here without the noodle. So that can be performed without the noodle. What's the difference of using the noodle? Well, firstly, it actually helps with creating a lot more stability, interestingly enough, because I've got some resistance in that left hand. So I am much more stable on my left leg, which means I can actually pull that right leg around with a little bit more force, making it a more muscular activity. Right? So it's much more muscular, and I'm now really beginning to feel it in the muscles around the hip. Great exercise, right? So I'm circling forwards and I'm just holding onto the right end in the water. It doesn't need to really go anywhere, but the motion is with my left arm and I'm doing a really big circle. Now, can I go the other way? Yes, I can. So going the other way feels good too. So I can circle in, and now my arm's going to get a bit of a workout, and when I circle in, I'm getting a lot more inner thigh activation. So I'm feeling my inner thighs working as I pull that leg all the way out and in. So it's abductors on the way out, pushing out, and it's adductors as you circle in. Really cool exercise to do that is really targeting muscles on the inner and outer part of the thigh. And with the noodle, because you've got more stability, you can actually create more force with that leg. Whereas when you don't have the noodle there, I'm working a little bit more with my balance. And yes, I can do it. Yep, and I can use my arm. Both of them are great exercises. I just feel that they are a little different. And if you're going to use a noodle in your class, why not do something like this? So I would put this move together with something that's really, really energetic, and then stabilize, really energetic and stabilize. And that is this week's Aqua Tip. I often get asked about exercises that are good for balance training or, targeting specific muscles. And this one is definitely one that fits into that category. So let's start. You're holding the ends of the noodle when you're demonstrating this on pool deck, and you are going to be circling the leg either outwards or inwards. Remember which muscle groups work. So as you circle the leg out, you're going to be working the abductors, the muscles on the outside of the thigh. And as you circle the leg in, you're going to be working the muscles on the inner part of the thigh. So remember that in the pool, the arm that wasn't moving was just held out to the side. You don't need to place it on your waist or do anything like that. And you want to create the biggest action possible. Do it front on and also do it side on, because your class will see very different things and they'll be able to see depth of motion if you turn side on to your participants. And that means if you have a big class, you've got to move around just a little bit. It does require balance as an instructor, and I'm hoping that for most of us, we have the ability to balance that well. If not, then it's time for you as an instructor to consider doing your own balance training. Yeah, we need it too, right? Especially if we want to stay safe on pool deck. So big movements with the leg and with the arm. Really exaggerate the arm action. And remember, then you want to also repeat it on the opposite side. As I mentioned in the pool, I usually combine this with an energetic move. It's a great exercise. Try it out with yourself. You know your participants will be able to pick this up fairly quickly. And this is this week's Aqua Tip.